how to convert YouTube video to text by ChatGPT. I show you here step by step. First of all, I go to Google Chrome browser. I open Google Chrome and then go to setting. Click on search box and search YouTube. YOUTUB, YouTube, and article ARTICLE, article summary POWER, powered by ChatGPT, and click enter button. You see here at the first extension YouTube summary with ChatGPT. You click here, click add to Chrome button. YouTube summary with the ChatGPT has been added here. In this way we can add this button. You can remove anytime this extension and then go to YouTube's which video you want to convert. You can see successfully installed this extensions. This is my 4-minute videos. I click this video. After open this your video, go to this transcript and summary options down arrow and you get your transcript here, all details, and with timing you can see here this my 4 minutes video. All the information has written here. You can use it. I show you here next features of this extensions. The next features of this extension, it provides the summary of this video. If you want to look the summary of this video, you get the details here, all the informations of this video. Can see here, all the details. It's a totally free. There is not a limit. You can convert any videos, YouTube videos, into the text here. And if you need a summary of this video, you have to click. First of all, you have to log in your ChatGPT account. Then you need to setting. For that, you click extension here and then manage extension and scroll off it, then click extension option. You have to set here some setting. The important is by default you get a default ChatGPT 3.5 and you choose ChatGPT 4. It's also free. And then click close this tab and go to here your YouTube's and then click this view AI summary options. When you click here, then you get here the important summary of this videos into the text here. Get a 5 point of this important matter of this video here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see what is the nature of the viral content of any YouTube video, and you can make video at that topic.